Number 10. The Death Star that missed us. Let's start with a star that genuinely terrified astronomers for almost 2 decades. WR-104, about 8,000 light years away in Sagittarius, is a pair of dying stars spinning out a beautiful pinwheel of dust. One of them is a Wolf-Rayet star on the verge of going supernova, and when stars like this die, they can fire powerful gamma-ray bursts from their poles. For years, the concern was that this system was aimed almost directly at us. A direct hit could have stripped away part of Earth's ozone layer. Then, in 2025, new observations from the Keck Observatory finally clarified the orientation. The poles are tilted 30 to 40 degrees away from us. Any future gamma-ray burst will sail harmlessly into deep space. We dodged a cosmic bullet we never even knew was loaded. Number 9. The star that will shake the Oort cloud. Right now, a small orange dwarf called Gliese 710 is drifting towards us from 62 light-years away. In roughly 1.3 million years, it will pass through the outer edge of our Oort cloud, the vast shell of icy comets surrounding the solar system. During that close encounter, Gliese 710 will briefly become one of the brightest stars in our night sky. But its gravity will also disturb trillions of comets, sending many of them falling inward over the following millions of years. Updated Gaia data in 2025 slightly adjusted the timeline, but the risk remains real. Close stellar flybys like this happen every few 100,000 years, but this is one of the few we can see coming. Number 8. The naked eye supernova we keep missing. Somewhere in our galaxy, a massive star is going to explode in a supernova so bright it will outshine every other star on the sky. Statistics say this should happen every few decades. The last time humanity clearly documented one was in 1604, observed by Johannes Kepler himself. Since then, nothing visible to the naked eye. Even the famous 1987 supernova happened in a neighboring galaxy, not our own. We may simply be unlucky, or many explosions are hidden behind galactic dust. Either way, generations of humans have lived and died without witnessing the one spectacular stellar death the Milky Way owes us. Number 7. Betelgeuse, the delayed explosion. Betelgeuse, the red supergiant in Orion's shoulder, has long been the closest candidate for a spectacular supernova. At 640 light-years away, its explosion would shine as bright as a half moon and remain visible even during the day for months. For years, astronomers thought it might explode within decades, but new 2025 to 2026 observations revealed a hidden binary companion, pushing the timeline out dramatically, likely beyond 100,000 years. We now know with much higher confidence that essentially no one alive today or for thousands of generations will witness Betelgeuse light up the sky. Number 6. The last total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipses are only possible because of a cosmic coincidence. The moon and sun appear almost exactly the same size in our sky, but the moon is drifting away from Earth at 3.8 centimeters per year. In roughly 600 million years, it will appear too small to fully cover the sun. NASA scientist Richard Vondrak and others have calculated that Earth will experience its final total solar eclipse around that time. After that, only partial and annular eclipses will remain, forever. The brief moments of totality have allowed generations of scientists to study the sun's corona. That window is slowly closing. Number 5. A star torn apart at the galactic center. At the center of our galaxy sits Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of the sun. Every so often, black holes and other galaxies are caught tearing stars apart in events called tidal disruptions, spectacular, luminous outbursts. It has almost certainly happened here too, and it will happen again. But these events occur roughly once every 10,000 to 100,000 years per galaxy. The odds that any human alive today or in the next few thousand years witnesses one at the center of the Milky Way are incredibly small. Number 4. The death of our sun. In about 5 billion years, our sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and swell into a red giant. Mercury and Venus will likely be swallowed. Earth's fate is uncertain, but long before that, rising solar brightness is expected to boil away our oceans in roughly 1 billion years. The outer solar system may briefly thaw, but eventually the sun will shrink into a cold white dwarf, leaving the solar system dark and frozen. 5 billion years feels impossibly far away, until you realize it's a hard deadline written into the laws of physics. Number 3. The galactic collision that might not happen. For years, the standard story was that Andromeda was on a collision course with the Milky Way, set to merge in about 4 to 5 billion years. Dramatic simulations showed stars flying past each other and a wildly reshaped night sky. But 2025 research using Hubble and Gaia data, accounting for the gravitational influence of the Large Magellanic Cloud, changed the picture. The chance of a direct collision in that time frame dropped dramatically. There's now roughly a 50% chance the galaxies eventually merge, but also a real possibility they simply pass by each other. Even if they do collide, it will happen so far in the future that our sun will already be a dead ember. Number 2. The end of star formation. We live in the stelliferous era, the age of stars, but the universe's supply of hydrogen gas for making new stars is finite. In roughly 100 trillion years, star formation will effectively stop across the cosmos. The smallest red dwarfs will continue shining for trillions of years more, but eventually every star will burn out. The universe will enter the degenerate era, a long, dark age of white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. No new light will be born again. Number 1. The heat death of the universe. Even after the last star dies, matter itself continues to decay. Protons may eventually break down. Black holes slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation over incomprehensible timescales, 10 to the 100 years or more for the largest ones. Eventually, the universe reaches maximum entropy, cold, dark, nearly empty, expanding forever. This heat death or dark era is the leading prediction. Some models suggest a big rip instead, but either way, it is the final chapter. No stars, no light, no structure left to observe anything. It is the single most certain long-term prediction in physics, and the one event we can guarantee no one will ever witness.